Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today we'll talk about Altura ALU. It's been quite a while since I spoke about this project. I've always believed in this project, literally for the last, well, it's over 3 years now. So you can see on the screen, we're just below 10 pence. Okay, but look at the screen, we're up 521% in a month. This project is making massive gains. They've got some big news just literally come out. So again, people now believe in this project. You see the market cap is just below 94 million. So still a gem, in my opinion. It's never financial advice, do your own research, obviously. But I love this team. I love their thought process, their plans for longevity. Even the sort of last 7 days, 45%. But one day alone, we're up nearly 20%. So a lot of big news has come out. Also, you can see on the right-hand screen there about the rumour about Binance. Now, I've seen this at quite a lot of places on Reddit, as well as Discord. Basically, a lot of people talking about the fact that Monday week, December the 9th, Binance will list ALU. Now, in the old days, it was a Coinbase listing, was it? But Binance is now the big news when you get listed on there, okay? So, again, that'll do wonderful things for the project. Now, I just want to show you my YouTube dashboard. You can see I spoke about this project. My first video was actually November 2021, would you believe? Wow, that's such a long while ago. Anyway, I've done 5 dedicated videos about Altura because that's how much I believe in the project. Now, where we are today is now my 9th biggest holding. I must do a video about my top 10 holdings by value, but I never spoke to the team from Altura, but I really do believe what they're doing. I say, strongly suggest you follow them on Discord. They've got many different parts to their Discord, but I love the announcements channel. That's the bit where you get all the teas and the latest news and stuff coming out. But they're making huge strides. Okay, now the big news, literally what they've been teasing about for ages, was this. This is just the beginning. The team is working for the last 18 months, and we're excited to finally announce and share more on Altura Intelligence soon. So there's more news to come out. There's a little video, AI gaming toolkit built for boundless creativity to help people with the Web3, the gaming, etc. So this is a game changer for me, what they're doing here. 18 months being created. That is absolutely incredible. It truly is. Again, as well as Discord, I strongly suggest you follow them on X. Now, they're always announcing partnerships. Again, that's what I like about it. We're excited to announce a game-changer partnership between Altura and Lyft. Okay, it's another wonderful project. I've been reading up a lot about them. We've teamed up with Lyft Data AI. This was all literally this week. Now, this is another bit. The 100,000 AU giveaway is still on. It's not too late to join in. 10 lucky winners will be announced. Join the Discord and see how you can get involved. So again, go on Discord. But I say they're X, they're always on there. Again, I do like that. Power Mine, they see a lot of this. I know I've mentioned this before, Power, but they do seem to have an incredible amount of partnerships. Okay, and they've partnered with Altura as well. Okay, and this is literally, look at these posts, it's literally in the last week or so. Again, I'll show you the grant bit in a minute. Voting for December, $1 million Altura grant fund. When they start, help a new project with a lot of potential get started. And that is really good. They've even got their own section. I'll just show you the part of the site. Welcome to Altura's grant fund, where you apply for funding, you get the leaderboard and get the votes and amount dispersed. So far, already 100,000 has been put in there just to see people believe in a certain project. Now, that again is absolutely incredible what they do. So I really do like any project that has like a launch pad, a grant fund to help with the project get started. Again, the first and only custom marketplace solution, Immutable. Now, powered by Altura. Now, Immutable is something I've covered many times before. And again, their marketplace has been around for a long while. It does absolutely fantastic, everything they've got on it, okay? It truly is a wonderful marketplace with everything you need. So, just scrolling through, as I say, this used to go back last week. You think everything they've got going on is absolutely incredible. So, if you don't own any Altura, certainly keep it on your radar. Now, and actually people say, where do you hold your Altura? Me, personally, I buy on exchange, but I hold it on MetaMask. Now, again, do your own research about the exchanges. But if you want to know where you can get it, you hit your markets. Now, if that rumour about Binance is true, obviously you can get it on the likes of Pancake Swaps, it's on Bit as well. You can get it on MEXC, Bitmark, XT.com, we spoke about it many times lately as well, those exchanges. Now, obviously in the UK, we struggle now with many exchanges like Gate.io, BingX. Quite incredible that BingX actually supports Chelsea Football Club based in London, but you can't join BingX as a UK citizen. A bit like OKX, absolutely incredible. Anyway, sorry, I'm kind of tangent there, but it's many different exchanges. You see there is many of. But I do have a link below if you can get it on XT.com. Wonderful exchange, spoke about many times lately, so that's always good. Now, you go on their actual website, Altura Gaming, the ultimate platform for building and scaling Web3 games. And obviously, the AI announcement is absolutely huge for the team. Unleash your Web3 gaming potential with Altura. Simplified game development, and that's what it's got to be. It's got to be made easy for people to actually develop on it. Connect with vibrant gaming community. Got a huge community. I say the grant fund's absolutely incredible, but obviously their community, I say, within their social media is really good with Telegram and Discord. Okay, and streamline monetization for our developer-friendly tools and marketplace solution. Promote your game to a large audience of gamers and Web3 enthusiasts. Okay, so it's got many parts on their sites. Connect with thriving communities. Okay, welcome to Altura. Simplify your Web3 integration. It's got everything you need there, developer tools, friendly tools and comprehensive documentation. You can deploy your Web3 stack in a fraction of time it would take manually. Okay. Everything there, minting important NFTs and create your new NFT collection. Featured on all these different sites. Obviously, I covered Crypto Slate before, CoinDesk before. There's actually quite a bit of information on Binance. Again, fuels the rumours about that list on December the 9th. Okay. Build with confidence. Integrate Web3 features into your game, including user authentication with Altura Guard, which achieve with user NFT data. Okay, and all these different parts to build up the trust. I say this project is absolutely fantastic, like the one-stop shop, as I often say about a project, but to me this is a one-stop shop for all gaming, developing, the blockchain need for the NFTs and gaming alone. It's absolutely incredible. But I think the AI bit really is going to highlight to people where it's going. Now, if you go on CoinMarketCap, you can actually see here the top gaming projects by market cap and Mutable X. Obviously, that's a layer 2 of Ethereum, and a lot of projects build on that. IMX. I spoke about that project before, done a couple of dedicated videos. The market cap already is 2.7 billion. Now, when you actually go for the market cap and volume, okay, I just want to go back for the previous year. You can see it's been up and down quite a bit. Okay, but literally in the last 30 days, you can see we're rising very nicely, as you expect with the altcoins pumping. But you can see they're the top coin performance in the gaming industry. But I think ALU, when you go back to it, now we're sort of in the top 500 coins. I think this could do absolutely fantastic. Fascinating time ahead with this AI development. This could really be a massive game changer for Altura. I strongly do believe that. And at 522% in a month. So I'm glad I've been following it. I'm glad I got my decent bag. Even me, again, it's never financial advice. Me personally, when it's under 10p, it's still a good price to accumulate, even though we've gone up that 500%. I think it's still a ridiculously low price with the market still under 100 million, but only time will tell. So thanks very much. Appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe. Please hit the comment. Tell me your gaming tokens. I genuinely do appreciate that. Also, get my YouTube algorithm up. So, again, anyone help as usual, email me, info@cryptostrang.com. Come and join us at Telegram group. Got all my other social media links below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Help any way we can. So, thanks very much. We will chat soon. Cheers now. Bye.